and welcome to Hattie's Baking Show. Today we'll be making banana loaf. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees and lightly grease a loaf tin. Right, before we get mixing, take 200 grams of plain flour and add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Then mix it all together. Now mix 2 eggs and some brown sugar with some dried fruit until it looks fluffy. Add your coconut oil into your mixture and stir it up. It looks a little bit like toffee. Then add 3 mashed bananas with some yogurt if you like, and tip it into your mixture. Take a fork around it just to get it a little bit, to get all of it off, and mix it around again. Let's move on to the flour. If you would like, pour some nuts into your flour and mix it all up. Then put your flour into your creation and stir it all up. It's quite hard and stiff. Mixing, pour your mixture into the tub. And if your parent lets you, you can try the mixture. It is delicious. And add some seeds on the top of your mixture when you're done. Then pour some seeds onto the top. Try and get them in the middle. It should look like this, or better. Ask an adult to put your banana loaf in the oven for you. See you in 15 minutes. Banana loaf out of the oven. I'm really excited to eat it. It smells delicious. See you next time on Hattie's Baking Show.